Okay guys, today we're going to try out something called trial division. And with trial division, what we're really looking for is whether a number is prime or composite. Now most of us know our basic prime numbers, which are going to be 2, 3, 5, 7, and those are pretty easy to tell. You can memorize them or you can see if another number goes into them pretty easily. But some numbers, like this number we're going to try out today, 1949. It's a pretty big number. I don't think anyone can just guess and say whether or not that's prime or composite. So with trial division, we get to use the calculator. And what we're going to do is we're going to try every number we know to see if the numbers go into 1949. All right, so let's get started. First number we're going to try is 2. If we divide 2 into 1949, we get 974.5. All right, so that number didn't go in evenly. So let's move on to the next number we have. It's 3. And I should mention that we started with 2 because, of course, 1 goes into every number. So there's no need to divide 1 into 1949 because we know it will go in. All right, if we divide 3 into 1949, we get 649.6, repeating forever and ever and ever. All right, now it might be your natural inclination to try 4 next, but we're not going to try 4 because 4 is a composite number that is built from 2, which is a prime number. We know if this prime number isn't going to go into 1949, neither will any of the composite numbers that build from 2. So we can move straight on to our next prime number, which is 5. All right, we divide 5 into 1949, and we get 389.8. All right, there we go. And I'm just going to keep going through the prime numbers. Next we have 7. Next number is going to be 11. And I want you guys to notice, as we are dividing numbers in, that our numbers here, this side of the factors, are getting bigger, while these factors are becoming smaller. So I want you guys to just kind of pay attention to that pattern as it develops, as we keep dividing. Now what we're starting to see about the numbers is they're getting very close together. So we move from up here where we had 2 and 974.5 to down here where we've got 29 and 67 and some change over there. So we're really getting a lot closer together as we move on. going to go ahead and move up to the top of the board here. We're running out of room. All right, now you can see we're getting really, really close together, 41 and 47. So I want you guys to keep paying attention to make sure we're still keeping this pattern as we go through, all right? And our hope is that maybe as we keep moving along here, we will eventually find a number that goes into 1949 evenly. Now that's pretty interesting. Can you guys see what just happened right here? We've been talking about this. We've been going along, smaller, bigger. You know, these get bigger, these get smaller. And now they're getting pretty close, really close, 43 and 45. But what happened? Now 47 is bigger than 41. So what that means is that we have gone through every number possible that might go into 1949. Because we've gone all the way around. Now, if we keep going, the numbers are just going, these are going to get bigger, and these are going to get smaller, which tells us that there's no way anything goes into 1949. And that means 1949 is a prime number. And trial division has told us this. Because we have nowhere else to go. We have tried every single number, so the only numbers that go into 1949 are 1 and itself.